Someone actually extracted gold from rubbish, and he succeeded in doing so. Useless Ajay works as a floor sweeper in a gold shop. This is the dust that accumulates in the shop every day. There is all kinds of rubbish mixed in with it. First Ajay uses a sieve. He sifts the dust out of it, because he knows that the gold shop's master. The dust is mixed with the gold powder that falls out during processing, after mixing with a quantity of water. This is the sulfuric acid solution. By constant stirring, the sulfuric acid reacts with the metal in the dust. It bubbles up with a beautiful bubble. Ajay pours out the dirty water from it, and you get this mud. The uninitiated would have used it to grow flowers, but this little piece is worth a lot of money. The less dense sediment is washed away by the current, leaving the mud at the bottom. After the initial filtration, what remains are the crystals that were left behind during processing. See the glittering gold dust? Then a magnet is used to remove the ferrous metal. The ferrous metal is worthless. After the wastewater has been poured away, he gets this metal residue. It's useless down there, so Ajay turns into an alchemist. He pours the scraps into a quartz bowl, mixing borax powder into it. It helps to melt the metal faster, and traps the excess impurities on the surface. The end result is a low-purity gold alloy, but his fiancée wants 4 nines of gold. G still has to continue processing. The alloy is crushed into flakes. After adding aqua regia, boil it to dissolve it completely. While evaporating and concentrating, nitrogen dioxide gas is constantly emitted, eventually turning into a blue liquid. When poured into water, it turns back into clay. Then the borax is added once more and melted. At last, we have a grain of gold. It's only a gram or so, but for 10 years, Ajay has cleaned 8 gold shops. He has collected so many gold grains. Now he can ask his big brother to help him melt it into gold bars, pouring the gold sand into the casting model, and then into the hot furnace. The sand will melt again. Remove the cast gold bar from the mold. Under the processing of the machine, stamped with the 4 nines full gold logo, he can then give it to his fiancée.